Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use top paw nail clippers. First, gather your essential tools: the clippers, styptic powder for emergencies, and some tasty treats for your furry friend. It is crucial to ensure your pet is calm and comfortable before you begin. Gently examine their nails to locate the quick, which is the pink, sensitive part inside the nail. Avoiding this area is key to a pain-free experience for your pet. Now, let us move on to the actual clipping. Hold your pet's paw firmly, but gently, ensuring the nail is stable. Position the top paw clippers at a 45-degree angle to the nail, aiming to cut from top to bottom. Only clip the very tip, approximately 2 millimeters past the quick. It is always better to make several small cuts than one large one, preventing accidental overtrimming. After each successful clip, remember to praise and reward your pet with a treat. This positive reinforcement makes the experience much more pleasant for them. If you accidentally cut the quick, do not panic. Simply apply a small amount of styptic powder to stop any bleeding. Finally, inspect all trimmed nails for any sharp edges and gently smooth them with a file if needed. For optimal paw health, aim to trim your pet's nails every 2 to 4 weeks. Consistent, regular trimming prevents discomfort, reduces the risk of paw injuries, and maintains proper foot structure. Remember, making this a positive and calm experience through gentle handling and rewards will build trust. Your pet will appreciate the care, leading to happier, healthier paws in the long run.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.